Alright, so you've got your diff out, and it's now time to put new seal in. I've just put this one in, and this is what they look like when they're new. And you'll see like a grey bit and like a white spring there, there. That goes in towards the car, and you see this black in the lip, flexi lip is towards you, so it's visible. Now,
so this one's here.
There's a lot of talk about you need pullers and things to get these out. So this is how I did it. I had a Prybar, which cost me nothing, and I'm not going to pull this one out, so just put it in, and I put it like that, and I levered it. I put it like that, and I levered it, and it just popped out. It was real easy. And there's people saying you need this specialist tool to put things in, but we bought this. Was it a puller set?
Yeah, it's a puller. It's a
ball joint
extractor and insert, a ball joint set. Yeah,
we
showed
showed
in the previous part. Yeah.
And in there there's this. This is for ball joint pulling. But if you look, it's a perfect fit for that.
Yeah, in that kit we bought.
It's absolutely ideal. So all I did was position mine like that, pushed it in, and tapped it home, and that was a perfect fit. You know if it's all the way home because all the way in, because there's a lip there, as you can see at the back, and that's flush against the metal. And that took me, and I've never done them before, about 5 minutes. Literally took nothing at all.
So what we're doing at the moment, so we got that as part. You may as well just do that part of the job. But we've also got to put the new bits in.
New diff in.
No, got to put the new knuckle. I can never remember what they're called.
Knuckle.
We're cleaning up the knuckle at the moment, and we've cleaned up all this as well. Wire wheeled it, rust treated it, and we're going to paint it black. Obviously not in there, just on the outsides.
But yeah, it's getting there. So it's just not
steering knuckles or steering joints. Yeah, got to put the steering joints in there, knuckle back bolts, etc.
Yeah, it's been a long day.
But we're getting there with it.
So the oil seals, diff seals are real easy to put in and take out.
Just in case you're wondering how to do that, that's how to do that.
Prybar, look.
You don't need a special puller. Obviously, you've got to be careful.
But that's for the old one, so it doesn't matter if you damage the old one. And the new one is just using this out of the kit.
Gently tap it. You could even put a bit of silicone in there before tapping that in.
Yeah.
Silicone spray.
And literally, look at that. It's like the perfect tool to put it in with.
It's ideal.
Yeah. And that was a 5-minute job. So the metally grey bit into the car, and the flexi bit's facing you. Hope that helps somebody. Okay. Thank you.